Get the update. Right. Basically, what I'm trying to do is I have this program. Basically, it's just this animation state machine that I built using Unity's in-game animation editor, and it kind of just goes through all these animations randomly. I kind of wanted to expand that without having to rebuild this for every character and every animation. Trying to do so each character has this XML file that points to all its images and how it combines them to make the animations in the game. I want to click this button and then click an XML file. Parse that XML file, reading it, and what I want to do is basically extract all the animations from it. So I can sort of rebuild what I built with the animation editor, but automated instead of having to do it manually. This is taking so I'm streaming. It is a big XML file. Yeah. Does this display only go up to 999 or no? There's one for each. There's 999 different animations. There's some of them have multiple frames and whatnot. What I want to do right now is I want to click this button and have it like just animate this first animation, which is the standing idle animation. Right now, all it does is show me the last picture. So dash front 005.ppm. Dash front 005. Can I make that bigger? Well, that's what's showing. I mean, it just like grabs the last picture and as I go through. So I want to grab, each picture in a certain animation and just fit it out here just to see, just like a proof of concept. And then once I can grab one animation, I grab them all and file them away somewhere. Then I can figure out, I'll have to build like a state automata type thing. With that, but one step at a time. So this is our image from XML. This is just what happens when we click that button. Well, I guess we let's call this. So doing image. Open XML files will happen when we click that button. I have to not be in game mode. I need to like keep using this because I think yeah. Stop doing Unity stuff and I don't remember how anything works. Okay. One click. File. Open File Explorer. We run this code. Right now I'm just sort of printing out attributes as I run across them. I don't want to print them out. I want to store them in an object. So let's make that object. Did I already do it? That looks to be like what it's doing. See if we can just move food equals new x move we're in file manager. Why do I have to current item node? XML node. Yeah. An XML node named current. So frames the XML node. Don't want to. we want to bug foo dot might need to get and sets for this. Smart. I guess we could just right. Now it's gonna print all of them. Is the problem? But that's fine. These like 128, 175. That should be the height, I think. I mean, I can look at the thing. Did it not run when I clicked run? From the XML, and it should. Okay. Object reference not set to an instance of. Trying to create a mono. See, that's. Oh, right, because that's the instance. Okay. So is this a mono behavior or is it inheriting from? I kind of just want to make an X move. Probably means I'm gonna have to get rid of that because I kind of didn't want that. Hopefully that saves. Variable is signed by its values. It's fine. We'll get around to use it eventually. Wish there's probably a way to set the like starting location for the file explorer. I haven't figured it out. Okay, it's the same problem. If there's between these. return. How to in the line. Alright, because I'm returning an int. I mean, text width isn't it? Anyone else seeing this? It says it expects a semicolon. Does it need to be in here? Is that the joke? Okay. I guess that's the joke. I actually don't just copy. Even I don't want to set this, right? I'm reading it from the file. I actually don't want to set it, so I probably shouldn't make it public. I should make it static. But you can set static like in the initializer. Like it doesn't, this shouldn't actually matter, but it makes it easier to read. Hopefully that still has the right visibility, but I guess that's what the get and text the get is for. Cannot be accessed. Qualified with a type name instead. Maybe I don't want those statics. It's we're gonna do that. Okay. It's like stopping here, not here. That's the problem. I mean, that's probably something I have to do at some point, but not the problem I'm having. object reference not set to an instance of an object. The variable is set. I think that's getting like later code after this fails to return anything. I guess I could do a normal constructor instead of just like just have it pass in a bunch of ints. First one would be a string. String int inner. Another string. Now let's just do text width. You pass an m in width. Yes. X name equals n. X width equals width. Looks weird. Am I spelling that correctly? I guess so. Alright, so now we have to find our X move. Instantiated it and change that. X move the frame index string and x. No, it's a string. Okay. Cast is that. I know it's an int. Oh, I know it's an int. What do I do? How do I have width going to X offset? Why are those different? Oh, I guess I just never do anything with the width and the height. Yeah, so I should off. Okay. I mean, I can find the width, but the X offset's the one I want. Do that. It's been a while since I've in a typed language that makes it this stuff. Int X equals I tried this before. Oh my. Some parsing method, right? I guess I'll convert string to int. Oh, num. String to value, string value, integer. Um, oh, this just isn't a good example. Um, what? Sure. Just looking at C. Parse work. Try parse. Int dot. String. Um, offset. Out. Int. What if I don't know the result? Like I don't know the result beforehand. That's the problem. Know it? This to work. convert into 32. In 16 work. Offset. I mean, I should probably just have it take all strings then, but if this works, I can clean it up. Alright, it hasn't crashed, so that means it should be executing it. So it's gonna give us our X offsets. So it's gonna be 74, 68, 74, 68. I'll have to scroll up, but that's, I believe that is what we're looking for. It just did 0 a lot of times. That ain't it. What if I just do it directly? This takes too long to try like this. Maybe I should limit the number of like it goes to 9,999 moves. I could limit the code to look at like 10, and it'll be really quick. But I want the final product to be able to just read through it. Like the amount of time it takes to read through it is pretty long, but if it spits out, you know, a fully functional character, then it's actually not all that long. I mean, I would probably have it pre-packaged, so all the characters are made, but there's like a build your own character. Okay. So yeah, 74, 68. Oh, but matching lines are, yeah, these are all values it can spit out, so just to be sure. So since this 121 is here, that means it had this number 121 times. Like it had the same message 121 times. So we actually have to so this didn't work for whatever reason. probably should have the frame index in there too. All right. This should have it say like, you know, move 0 frame 1 74, move 0 frame 2 68. Move 0 frame 2 74, etc. So yeah, 0074 0168 02. Yep. And the last one is 25 95 95. 95, 25, 95, 95. Okay. So we have successfully created our object. I feel like I should be able to instantiate it with the thing I did, but I'm not sure why. Maybe like, so I have this frame. If I pass the frame, if I pass the XML node to the instantiator, does it like not have that when it gets there? That makes sense. Like, is this not known? Oh, so I just int parse here. I mean, this is, no, this is the one that, yeah, it's just this text copied. Yeah, what it's probably gonna be is, that's not what I wanted. Probably just gonna do something like this. Where I just like pass in a bunch of strings. And I'll convert them here, so it's just a little cleaner. Like I just, you know, grab a bunch of strings in the code and then have the constructor just have them all. Not the wrong, right one. minimize this. Frame index. Um, hmm. How am I gonna do this? Probably should just like make an array and put put the object in it, because like it's gonna overwrite the object the next time it goes through the loop. But if I save it in the array, then I'll have access to it later. But yeah, I just want to mess around with this, see if I can't get like now I know a thing that works. I just want I guess. Please. Duration. Maybe I could just use these int.parses. But I'll just have to have them all be strings. Hello, Bokeh Joe. What's up? Name. Duration. Image. Yes. Text width. I don't actually think I need text width, but I'll. String height. Then we have X off. String Y off. I can't spell or type. Oh, that's the thing I wanted to do. Oh, X0FF. No. So the basic overview of what I'm doing. Hopefully this works since I changed a bunch of code. As I built this animation using sprites from a game, and I just sort of like brute forced made this animation state automata, and I like how it came out, but this is the XML file, and there's about 1,000 animations that each character can do, of which there are a lot. So I didn't want to like brute force this for every character. So what I'm trying to do now is parse the XML and grab all those animations and just like build them. in an automated way. I'm just trying to like put everything that I parsed from the XML file into an object so I can sort of reference it. Yeah, I like how it came out, and if I had just like kept doing that, it would have probably been done by now. But the idea is, I actually have it built. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I have it as a thing that I can put on my stream. No, not image. Game capture. Why is that? Maybe it's not. Okay, it's working. And you know the single color background lets me chroma key it. But what I want to do is have, you know, all the characters from the game. So it's like a little stream mascot kind of thing where it just like, it's like a GIF, but it like has RNG. It's not going to keep doing the same thing. But I want to have it so like I can like click a button and it will switch to a different character. And like maybe move around. I don't know. There's a thing, I don't know, that the thing that used to exist called a shimeji, which is, oh, it kind of like froze. That's not good. Where it was like literally just a window that looked like a character and it would like move around your screen. That's the basic inspiration, I guess, is to just make a program where you can insert your own, you know, upload your own character if you can put all the data in an XML. Though I don't know how many users would actually go through the trouble of making an XML file, but at the very least there's this many characters in the game, and I would just get all these characters right away once I build this XML parser. So maybe I'll make a better way to like insert your own character, but for now I'm just trying to do this. Like that's all coding really is baby steps. Just do one small thing and then keep building it up. Duration would just equal dot parse there. Kind of just want to see if this works, so I'm just gonna. It's like I did this, but what if I what's X off? What if I did this and duration, right? Right. I just did it and I already forgot. Yeah, duration. Duration isn't the second one, so why did I put it second? But that's fine. I'll fix it later. There's no argument. Oh, right, I have to put all the things in there, but I only use a couple. image. Okay, so name, duration. Why is duration second? Image width. Oh, I don't have a width variable. Height. X offset. Y offset. Just hardcode 0. Cannot convert from int to string. Okay. I will have to fix that, but let's just see if it works. No reason why it shouldn't, but I've been surprised before. Also, my windows are yeah, I should probably leave this on the stream just to show like what I want it to do. This is, I'm not even parsing from the same character sheet as this, so I don't know why. This is just the first character I made. I didn't have the XML file back when I first started this, and then I found it. I was like, oh, this is way smarter than what I'm doing. Like, I imagine that's how the game actually does it. Okay. Did I not change the output? Because it's giving me the same numbers, 74, 68, 74. But I thought nope. Duration. I want to shorten this. It's like it goes through all 1,000, but like if it went through the first 10, I would know. I'd be able to find the pattern. Could do like a. I kind of need to keep it as a for each, otherwise I have to like automate the. For each automates a bunch of things. If I did like a while x is less than 10 kind of thing. Dot take 10. Here, we probably have to. Oh my goodness. On moves. Take. Pull in. There's like a hotkey to pull in whatever this needs. I'm using XML.link. Is that it? Control Z, Control Y, and then Control plus. Oh, Control period. Doesn't seem to be working, but so yeah. Okay, so this is working because the duration is 5. The idle, and then like the other ones, it kind of changes. System.link. Say lowercase. Like, the word take looks weird to me. Did I? Couldn't have misspelled it, right? Yeah, definitely not there. Yeah, so I took Java classes when I went to college, and then the job I got is using a proprietary language, so a lot of this stuff is like I'm just not used to it because I just haven't used it in so long, or just like wouldn't have learned it because we do something entirely different where I work. Take T source. For each int grade in top 3 grades. Take 3. Grades dot order by descending grade. This equals less than, like the arrow looks like a JavaScript. A little bit of it I've looked at. Yeah, grades is a array with more than 3 things. You want top 3 grades is just grades dot take 3. So I guess it would be up here. You would do like enumerable move. I did not want it to autocomplete. I guess I would be lowercase move. Oh, it would be XML mode. Sure. Moves, short moves equals moves break. Why? I think that's it. I've done XML node list and hit F12. This enumerator. Add nevermind? What? Why did that F12 like pop it over all the way to the right? So just get rid of that. Don't need to apologize. You're teaching me things. Like this whole part is just the stuff that I don't know. So not IEnumerable T, just IEnumerable. Do I have to not contain it? Let me look at the page again. Grades.order by, like, I don't want to order them. I want them like in the order they are, because that's the easiest way for me to just like look at the grades. Take 3 is the example. Grades is the array list. Or it's just an array. I guess moves isn't an array, right? No, it's no. Moves.cast XML node. Let's just comment that out for a second. XML node. No arguments. Take. So this had take with this. But I guess it just gave me the int count when I as the so I could cast it, but I guess that's just what this is doing. So I could have done take XML node here. It's sort of 6 of one, half dozen of the other. XML node list short moves equals no. as long as this took, it will save us time in the long run. Just so we can iterate faster. Each move in short. Oh, I thought I did that. I thought I did that. I was 100% sure in my head that I had already done that, but I guess I had not. Alright. Alright, so now it should be super fast. But we're not downloads. But we're only gonna get the first 10 moves. Alright, it wasn't super fast, but it was fast. Looks like it only gave us 6 moves? Because it's stopping at 6. Unless some of the moves share names or share indexes. Where am I? I'm at the bottom. Move ID 2. Okay, so yeah. Well, that's annoying. Might have to find a way around that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we added 11, it would have ID 7. I probably really don't even need 10. Like if 10 took that long. Alright, so what was I trying to do? He is XML node. Okay. Right. I was trying to make my constructor just take in an XML node and sort of do all this stuff. So this looks clunky to me, just like throw in 10 strings when I could just like throw in the node. But I guess maybe the constructor just doesn't have access to the XML node, even though I pass it in. Log. Let me just put a couple of these to see how far we get. I was getting an error. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Object move. Where? So new XMove. Frame? Oh. Was I doing it for moves or for frame? That might have been why. Oh, I want an XML node named frame. And this constructor takes in an XML node, calls it cur item node. Yeah, that is the right type. Oh, this was the first thing I tried and it didn't work, but maybe I put the wrong, I might have put move instead of frame in there, and that would definitely explain why it wouldn't work. Yeah, object reference not set to an instance of an object, and it's hitting one only once, so yeah. Her item node dot attributes id dot value. So I want it to go here and go like, oh, what is your id value? 0. And then set x name to 0. Name is probably not a good variable name for that. Code in the constructor is different than the code outside of that. Sorry, one second. I'm just trying to. Item node dot attributes id dot value. Move number equals attributes dot, oh, inner text. Is that it? Supposed to be using inner text. I just have a tough time remembering very similar things. So I'll put them next to each other. Attributes die. So these are all wrong because they say value, but if we get to 2, then I'll know it worked. And then I'll just finish it then. Didn't get to 2. File manager XMove. How do I make this? Oh my goodness. How do I scroll a small amount? What do you mean, how far did I get? Kind of just wrote it assuming it would work, and then it didn't. Spot. What an interesting time. Like, I feel like he should have showed up before now. I actually don't know how breaks work in Unity. Debug.break pauses the editor. I guess I should do that here. I don't really know what breaks look like. No, not that. Let's so it hit this. So does this pause mean I'm at the break, or? Just like the step function. I want to click it and have it something crazy. It just like moved the window. Yeah, I don't know what the break did. So I like not save? No, it's saved. Actually, oh, please. Where? Smooth frame. Let's break here. Let's see if that is better. F9, is that like a dev key? Okay, I'm hitting this exception. That's a breakpoint in the code. Okay, so maybe debug.break just doesn't work. Let's put one here. The way my work does it is we do like we have to type it in. We can't like just set it in the IDE. Is that like an industry standard kind of way to do breaks? That's way easier than the way I have to do it at work. Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's respecting it. It's still hitting this. Now, I do have one way that works, but like I feel like just passing in the node is like way cleaner than passing in every single bit of information. It's like I can parse everything once I have the node, but I mean I could just make the code a bit more granular. Like I could make like a parse, like create object starting from line 33. Yeah. Like the first thing it tries to grab, it's like it doesn't have it. I mean, I'm passing a cur item node. Just do that. Get me to my constructor, my invocation of the constructor. I'm passing in frame, which is an XML node. I guess I could try bug.log. Node plus then debug.log. Attribute plus though this might crash. And it's on my ID is lowercase. Please. I know it's not getting to inner text, so let's try those and see like if that helps. Because I don't need this one if I have something there that's more more meaningful. So we have node, XML element. That doesn't really tell me anything though. And the attribute does not have a value. Because it's supposed to say attribute plus whatever the attribute is. So maybe the attribute isn't anything, it's the attribute dot text value or whatever. Inner text. Oh, maybe I was supposed to string this. That might have been it. Object reference is not set to an instance of an object. So yeah, it's giving me the node, but it's not giving me this line. Now that I've tried to string this attributes, it just doesn't like when I do that. So I'm guessing maybe this current item node just doesn't have an attribute in this constructor. Why did my phone pop up? Let's just try to get one thing, and then I'll focus. Then I'll work on the rest of these. But like leaving this out shouldn't affect it. And the constructor is being called. Yeah, the constructor with one value is new xmove frame. Frame is the XML node. Frame in move. Like frame.attributes. Maybe I'm using ID up here, right? Oh, move.attribute. Maybe it's because I'm doing attribute. Maybe it just maybe attribute's just a different, is only on the move and not on the frame. I hope it's not something that let's try ... intertext. Let's try this. Can we get the duration? So I don't have anything that actually displays that anywhere. But I know I have X offset. Do I have that? I don't know. Let's just grab two things and see if that works. This might have just been me being stupid for way too long. Okay. So that looks like it worked. How many times did we hit 3? 28. I'm so sad. Alright, so does value work? So this should actually probably just be called X frame, not X move. All right, thanks for the help. Yeah, I think I started this as a frame, but I'm passing the I started this as a move, but I'm passing the frame node. We must have a return type. Oh, right. Probably need to make like a separate object frame inside move. All right, see you next time. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna be done soon. My brain is fried, but yeah, that was just the worst thing about coding is you just do a stupid, and the code doesn't know how to correct your stupid. You just have to be smarter. Yeah, it's probably because I'm like copy pasting code too much instead of typing it out and making sure I'm doing it right. Because I need, what do I need? I need, each move has a certain number of frames which aren't specified. So I need the frame data as well as the move data. All right, so let me just take a look at this. So for each move, get a move number, and then for each frame in the move, do other stuff. So yeah, I think I need to make so this has to be X frame, which I will have to create. Maybe this should be its separate. I can pull it out later. Public class frame. Like all these things are properties of the frame, not the move, right? Probably will want an X move, but I don't think it's actually going to be any of this. So I'm just going to delete that and then put that in X frame. It doesn't have an ID. Oh, I don't know what I just did. Did it just like reformat? I'm so confused. Where am I? Okay, I pasted what I meant to copy. Okay. fix all those. I might need this later. Why did I? This is actually a separate X frame constructor. And I guess this get method actually wants to belong to the frame, not the constructor. Delete. Probably just put that down here. X name is part of move. The problem I have is that I like don't delete stuff like this, even though I'm pretty sure it's useless now. And then I try to look through it and like, why is it so verbose and hard to read? Alright, that's a lot of changes without testing. I probably should not have made as many changes without testing. X. Yeah, it doesn't recognize it, which probably means it should be its own. Take the right number of things and made some objects. But it doesn't like something we've done. Image equals item node dot attribute image. Why is this one different? That's I guess it's because we're not parsing it, but like I think I just made it. I think probably just like didn't type it right, because we still should talk to the attribute. Yeah, okay. Cool, cool. So I need to do something with this X move. And it's probably not this. So it should be an XML node. Move. Ah, so I guess it is a. So what is, oh my goodness, what is a node? Is it just a line or like one of these brackets, like this, but for this whole line? It's like this node has an ID and an index, but this node doesn't have an ID, but it does have an index. Actually, what am I looking for? Move. So when we get to 6, yeah, so 6 has multiple indexes. So that's probably what we should look at, is the ID and index to get the move. Looks like loop, like all these 5 things are probably just what the move wants. Like, I don't know what we need to make what we're trying to make, but it's probably smart to just grab it all, right? So for X move we want public. I mean, this might not want to actually be public, but why did I public int ID? Like all this stuff. I mean, I could maybe write names for them, but not what we actually need. Public int index public int loop public int move lock. I don't think, like, move lock is part of the game, which we probably don't need. Public int action lock. That's what I guess we should have under move. It is an item node. It should look a lot like this, but we just parse. The other things. So yeah, let's expand this. So frame has image index. Unknown. The problem is, like, looking at the first, like, it doesn't really look like? I guess the frame index does matter. Okay. I'm not grabbing that. Okay. Image is a string. Well, it's a file, but we'll make it into a string so we can access that file. Oh, come on. Public int index. Unknown. I don't know what unknown is, but sure. Public int unknown. These are actually, I know what the X tech offset and Y tech offset. Oh, I know what the, yeah, I don't know what these are. But I know how the other ones are used, so. Let's just get it in there. We'll just not use it if we don't need to use it. So text width, text height we have. X offset, Y offset, duration, and the render group. Int render group. Alright, so the capitalization of the ones that I made is camel case, but the ones that I just added are lowercase. Should I fix that, or should I leave that and like put a comment that explains if there's no capitals? Then I haven't figured out why I use it. I just kind of added it for completeness. Like I don't even have it in the constructor. I don't know. Actually, that's not gonna work because if commented after I added for completeness. It's like I don't know what unknown does. I don't know what these do. I don't know what render, but I do know what duration does, and yeah. We'll need to do image. Probably should be first just to match. And we'll have the x equals per item attributes. Image, that's not the right bracket. Not image, index. Dot bottom text. Yeah. Index is a string. Oh no. Int dot parse. Image index x width. X height, x offset, y offset. Last duration. Maybe I get the image from the image path, but probably not. We'll see. We'll shrink this constructor, though separating it with that comment kind of makes it weird. Let's just do this. So move wants ID equals ID. I guess ID is an int. So yeah. But we do want index. So ID equals ID inner text. Thank you for formatting that. Not how I wanted. Loop. Loop. Move lock. Move lock. Action lock. Action lock. Doop-a-doo. I might inherit the duration of the frames under the move to the move. Like sum all the frames. But for now, let's please click the line. I don't actually know what these do. Here. Yeah. Okay, so that's done. All right. glad I'm not crazy and I knew how to do it right, I just did it on the wrong thing. So I probably don't actually need this anymore because I could, like I use move number in my log, but I could just do current move dot ID or dot index. No, ID. And then current move dot index. Okay. But I haven't actually added a constructor for xmove. See, I think what I want to do now is go to bed, but I think my plan is to throw all these moves into an array, and then throw all the frames into an array based on their move. And then I want to say like show me move 1, and it will say like, okay, what is frame 1 of move 1? And then that's going to be a whole new thing, like actual game code. Like right now I just show the last image that's in the file, just like attack do5 or something, dash 05, dash front 05. This is what shows up if I click the XML because it's the last, it like grabs the image and it's the last image in the file. So I want it to iterate and say like, okay, we're on frame 1 of move 1. What's the picture we should show? It's, you know, standing idle 1 or standing idle 0, whatever it starts with. And then when the duration is 5, so when it gets to frame 6, it'll be like, okay, what? We're on frame 6. Oh, standing idle 2, etc. And it will just like show the idle animation, and then I should be able to script it to just say like, show me move 79, and it will just show me whatever that is. So that's what we're trying to do next. But not tonight. I'm too tired. That's sort of my plan. Is I want to just, you know, type in a number, have it just show me that move, and then once that works, I'll know I have all the data I need. And then we try to, like, once we have all the moves, then we have to like make code that does, you know, whatever this automata does, but with code. And then we should just be able to get any arbitrary character, not just this one. Speaking of which, let's don't know if I've actually ever parsed this character. Oh, come on. Oh, right, the picture is different because I'm stopping at only 5 objects. So maybe it wasn't -05 or whatever. It went away when I stopped play mode, but yeah. But yeah, like I said, that's gonna be it for me. Save scenes, save project. Or slightly closer. All I really did was the objects, but I mean, it's fine. Don't worry about slow progress, just make any progress. Yeah, I am going to be done. Thanks for watching. I have to go to bed so I can wake up and keep my job.